my dear students. I hope you all understand what we have discussed in our previous section. Let's go through it. What's our chapter name? Yes, Reaping Gold from Soil. In it, we have discussed about the factors for good yield, seed quality and reproduction in plants. I gave a small activity to you. Find out the example for vegetative propagation and sexual reproduction. I think it's very simple one. Did you write it? Okay, we will start our class based on it. Sexual reproduction. The new plantlets are produced from seed is sexual reproduction. In the previous class, we wrote example for directly planted seeds and seeds which are sowing and transplanted. All that example came under this category. Example: rice, bitter gourd, brinjal and jackfruit. Vegetative propagation. Using plant cuttings, we reproduce new plants from existing one. Example: tapioca, ginger, breadfruit and bryophyllum. With all qualities of parent plant, we can produce new plant. Now we are going to study the new methods in vegetative propagation. And first one is layering. It is a method of growing roots on the branch of parent plant and removing the part after the growth of roots, then transplanting the newly developed plant. Example: jasmine, hibiscus and mango. How layering is done? This video shows how layering is done on the branch of a plant. Select a branch of the plant which saplings is to be produced. The branch must be pencil thick. The branches from main stem are better. Peel off 1 cm of bark from the stem in a circular shape. Cover the peeled off part with slightly moistened mixture of coconut fiber, soil and sawdust. Once again, cover the peeled off part with slightly moistened mixture of coconut fiber, soil and sawdust. Cover it with polythene sheet. Tie both ends with jute twine. Wet it enough water to retain moisture. Numerous roots will sprout within 2 months. Cut the branch and plant in a pot till it is ready to be transplanted into the soil. Take care to plant the sapling in a suitable place. The procedure is in your textbook. This is the picture of air layering. Layering is also done on branches that grow close to the soil by bending the middle of the branch into the soil. Advantages and disadvantages of layering. Advantages. Layering is possible in many plants. Saplings with the quality of parent plant is produced. Gives early yield. Many saplings can be produced. Disadvantages. Size of new plant is too small. Saplings are prone to carriers of diseases. New plant has no taproot, so it may fall due to strong wind. Requires more care. Let's conclude today's section. I hope you all understand the ideas we have discussed. So, today we have discussed about layering, how layering is done, advantages and disadvantages of layering. Now it's your turn. Write an assignment based on different types of layering. Thank you.